Next question. Susan asks about resizing to 600 by 600, and what about the compression? So if I have a large photo or a large canvas, let's should have gotten that one out. Basic course. If I have this image, which is full size, and I want to put it in the gallery, I will need to resize it because the gallery won't take 3600 by 3600. This one is not finished. As you can see, there's no drop shadows, but that doesn't matter. When you will resize, first you will resize with just a resize command to 600 by 600. So everything should be fine. And then when you save it, you go to Save As or F12, and you will save a JPEG image. Because of course, the gallery will only take JPEG. And in the JPEG here, you have the different quality of compression. Typically, a compression of 20 is way enough for a gallery. It might be different if you were to make a poster that will be printed on a, I don't know, a sign by the road, which is going to be 20 feet wide. You might want a bit more quality because you can have, you're going to need more pixels. But here, that's what you can use. And here you can see the file size that is giving you an idea. If I remember, I think in the gallery you have to have under 300K. So if you were to save at a compression of 4, it would be 400 pixels. You will not be able to put it in the gallery. It won't let you. But even if you go down just to 10, you're already under the 300. I typically keep at 20. That's way enough for everything that I've used. And if you actually want to see the difference, you can go to File, Export, Export, JPEG Optimizer. And here you'll see the same thing. You have the compression value here. And look at the difference between here uncompressed and compressed. You see much difference? No. You will see some difference if I go to this point. You can see that, I'm going to zoom in a bit. You can see there's some artifacts. But at this point, I'm at 73. So it does the same. The compression in the Save As has only been added in the last few versions. So if you are using, for example, version 18, it's probably not there. So in that case, you use the JPEG Optimizer to be able to adjust the compression to match the size that you actually need. There is actually a blog post on compression in the blog, so you can actually see, and there are some examples of really what does it mean, a compression of 10 or compression of 20 versus a compression of 60, just visually to give you an idea. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus!